Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful handmade bracelet using glass beads, silver-colored spacers, and some cute charms I already had. First, I selected a mix of green and blue frosted glass beads to give a soft and elegant look. I paired each bead with silver spacers to add extra sparkle and structure. I used strong elastic thread to string the beads together, making sure to measure for a perfect wrist fit. Then, I attached a small silver chain to add a dangly charm detail. For secure bonding of the knot, I used B6000 glue. Make sure to let it dry completely. I used pliers to carefully connect the chain and add a butterfly charm and a couple of blue beads. The final touch. Fluff out the charm section and admire your new bracelet. This project is fun, easy, and perfect for gifting or selling. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more creative DIYs like this. Thanks for watching.